Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have seen that gold and silver prices corrected sharply on the back of recovery in US market. However, we have seen that unemployment data, a positive unemployment data, will support the US dollar, and we have seen that gold prices and silver prices were corrected yesterday. For today, we are expecting some profit booking may be seen in gold and silver prices on the back of strength in dollar. For today, gold support at 47,000, resistance 47,850. Silver support at 69,400, resistance 71,400. In international market, gold is trading around $18-20 per ounce. Silver is trading around $26.90 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver for intraday perspective may be lower. So for we are expecting and we are recommending trader can go for short in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. We have also seen a correction in base metal yesterday. Yesterday copper prices corrected by 1.40%. Zinc price also corrected sharply by 1.82%. We have seen a sharp correction in all the base metal. So for today we are expecting a same trend. We are expecting a profit booking may be seen in all the base metal. Copper support at 769, resistance 790. Zinc support at 225, resistance 233. Lead support at 168, resistance 175. Aluminium support at 192, resistance 199. Nickel support at 1260, resistance 1303. We are expecting a negative trend may be seen in all the base metal for intraday perspective due to the strength in dollar. So we are recommending sell in a base metal on rise. So trader can go for short in the base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil. Yesterday we have also seen correction in the crude oil. Yesterday crude oil prices corrected sharply by 4.34% and closed at 4672. Strength in dollar and lower demand, expectation of lower demand put pressure on crude oil. So for today we are expecting a negative trend may be seen in the crude oil prices. For today crude oil support at 4560, resistance 4760. NYMEX crude oil support at 6190, resistance 6490. Brent crude oil support at 6550, resistance 6830. Natural gas support at 209, resistance 226. The trend of energy segment are also negative, so we are recommending sell in crude oil and in natural gas for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.